Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. We're gonna do something a little different here today. I got a few products here that I picked up. So whenever I decide I'm gonna do a project or stage a project, what I'll typically do is I'll typically kind of squirrel away the pieces that I need to create my puzzle, if you get what I'm saying. You catch my drift. So I got a few things that's been kind of sitting aside, and I am gonna I'm gonna kind of take a turn away from the audio stuff. So I don't know if you'll see a gap or how things are loading up, but I do have to work on my glorious lowrider sitting over here to the side. This is my hard body, and I have my Tacoma at my shop about 10 miles away. Anyway, let's just go through this first. So, all right. So you guys all see and hear everyone talking about these. Once again, I'm too small at this time to have any affiliates, but here you go. The first box is from customspeakerpods.com. Now, I bought these because I put my tweeters in my dashboard in my 2023 Tacoma, and they sound phenomenal. They have angle brackets, so I can angle them back towards me, so they're not reflecting on the glass and then coming back, which sounds good. Who knows? I might change that. And I could put the tweeters up front and then put the 3.5s in a dash, but I think I want them facing me. But either or which way, I went and brought a new set of pillars so I didn't destroy the ones in my brand new truck. So I found the wrecked one and I grabbed them out of there. Let me real quick run and grab one, because I have one sitting right, I have the box sitting right over here. I'm back, the box is down here anyway. Let's go ahead and pop open this box and just take a look and see what these things look like. Fitment, and we'll test that afterwards. But all right, got a little receipt. You know, tell you what you got, what you ordered, and then came with a stickeroos. All right, that's dope. Warning: do not over tighten hardware. Probably tell you it's going to strip it out, and it does come with some. It does come with some nuts and bolts, some hardware. I'm not going to open that up right now because I don't want to lose it, but they do appear to be little Allen head button head screws with nylon nuts on the back side. So that's pretty cool. That'll work. All right, to get to the star of the show. All right, so I mean, it looks as you think it would look, and I'm guessing the bolts that they gave you is to attach this to the pod or to your pillar itself. It doesn't say what's left and what's right, but I would almost bet that's left and that's right. Anyway, we don't need to guess too much because I have a set right here. So this is the right handle. I know that because it's got the holy crap on it. And that appears to be what it needs to be. All right, so yeah, it appears to fit. It appears to fit pretty good, actually. It's black. It's a little more shinier than this black, but here's the deal. Even though my truck has black interior, the pillars the A, B, and C. So A being the front windshield, B being where the rear door hangs off, the front door latches to, and C being the back wall. They're all like a cream, like a light tan. So I bought this black, and I got these. They were black. I might sand these and hit them with paint to make them the same color as the originals, but that's not what we're here to talk about. So when you squeeze them down and you put a good squeeze on them, they actually flush down pretty good. All right, I hope you guys can see that. Well, and we'll go over this more when it comes time to install these. Yeah, they come with the hole already opened up for you. And just checking this one here, like I said, when you put it in place, squeeze it down and then bolt it in, it looks like it's going to close up and be a pretty good seal on there. So they did a really good job. And I think, I don't want to spread the business, but let's see. All right, so they were, I think they might have been on sale, but they were $119.84, and I used a coupon code from my man over there. I think he's out of Missouri. I like this guy. He's kind of newer on the scene. He's been around for a little bit, but car audio enthusiast. Shout out to you, my man. I used his code. I could have used plenty of other people's, but some people I like to give a nice nod to, and sir, you are that person. So let's go ahead and put these back in the box, and there will be a continuation on this video on this product when we get to that point. But as I said, it's starting to become it's fall time, and it's time for me to get back in the shop cutting, welding, and grinding where it ain't so hot in here. So but we will get back to this probably sooner than later. I am waiting for the next round of holidays to come up. So the amps that I'm looking to buy, you know, all of these companies, they have their sales when it comes close to the holiday. So I'm looking to take advantage of that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So again, but the reason why I bought extra ones is because you're kind of gonna have to poke a hole in this. You're gonna have to poke a hole in every spot where you're gonna mount this. Okay, whether you glue them and screw them, or just screw them, or just glue them. If you just glue them, then you know it's gonna be where it is, and that's that. If you screw them, you're gonna have to poke holes. But even if you just glue them, you're gonna have to poke a hole so that you can get your, so you can hide your wire that's gonna go into the back of the mid-range. Or you could actually, you probably could even use like a bullet tweeter in here too if you want to. I'm not a fan of, I'm kind of like a low budget quality guy. So I'm not, there's no possible way at this point that I was gonna spend $500 to $800 to even $1,200 on two 3.5 inch mid-range drivers. Not happening. And I don't think, for me, I wouldn't use a tweeter like one of those bullet tweeters. You know, DS18 makes them, Tapano makes them, PVR makes them. There's a place for them. I don't know if pointing directly at your face is a place for them, but if that's your jam, then have at it, boss. I ain't gonna hate on you. So that's what I'm gonna do. So shout out to customspeakerpods.com. That's where I got these for the 23 Tacoma. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and also keep your eye out for this. For when it gets time to do this install, I will make a follow-up and continue to review. But from sight of looking at it, what it is, I give it a thumbs up.